Earning $100 per day with video editing. Top 5 AI tools to boost your income. Peoples are earning more than $100 per day using video editing. Here are the 5 AI tools you can use to edit client videos and earn in dollars. 1. InVideo. https://invideo.io. Just think of a topic and it will automatically generate your script, create scenes, and add voiceovers. Generate professional videos within minutes. 2. Synthesia. https://synthesia.io/tools/ai-video-editor. Create and edit videos from text using Synthesia's AI video editor. Generate professional videos in just a few minutes. 3. Kapwing. https://kapwing.com/ai. Edit, trim, and enhance your video with our cutting-edge tools powered by AI. Generate videos just from typing or automatically remove silence and background noise in a single click. Get started for free. 4. Invid. https://io/tools/ai-video/ai-video-editor. Edit videos and create captivating visuals using Invid's AI tools. 5. Steve. https://steve.ai. Experience the magic of our AI video generator as it swiftly selects the perfect creative media assets for your video, allowing you to create professional videos in mere minutes with our patented AI technology.